Hey guys, it's Rachel from the Little Reading Lamb. It's time for a new segment Back to Me. What's Rachel reading? What I'm currently reading is Flawless by Sara Shepard, the second book in the Pretty Little Liars series. This is a reread for me. I'm on chapter 11, page 102, and I'm reading this for the Pretty Little Liars read-along, which me and Jill from Slytherin Reader are hosting. If you watch her channel, you probably heard her talk about it, or you probably have already heard me talk about it, but I'll put the Goodreads link in the down bar if you want to join in. We're reading the second book in February, the 3rd of March, and so on and so forth. So yes, that's what I'm currently reading. I'm also reading another book, but I'm not going to show you that because I actually have a book haul I'll be posting this weekend. The books came in last Friday. I didn't expect to be making an order, but when you watch my book haul, it'll make sense because there was a specific book that I was like, oh my gosh, must have. The story of a booktuber's life. But yeah, that happened, and I was filming on the weekend, and you might have seen I posted 3 videos because I was behind on a few book reviews and stuff like that. And I was going to post that video, but I was halfway through filming and my camera died, so I just decided to leave it for this weekend. Also this week I'll be posting my February favorites on Friday. I will not be doing a top 5 Wednesday day because I have a midterm, and when I said I was going to do it next week, I momentarily forgot I had a midterm, and I was like, okay, I'll just address it in this video. So I will not be posting one of those today. What else is happening this weekend? So book haul. Sunday is the last day of the month, so I will be posting my February wrap-up, and Monday my March TBR, which is very hard to believe it's already March. So I got a comment before by a subscriber, and it was just like asking me just do a Pretty Little Liars video about the TV show, because you guys know I watch it. Like sometimes I miss an episode and I don't really catch up, so you know, not the best viewer, because I am more in favor of the books, and it kind of annoys me how the TV show is so different sometimes, but I have to remember to separate them, think of them as different entities. So that's what I'm trying to do. And I just thought that'd be a little difficult to be able to do that because I forget from week to week what happens, because in that time frame I'm watching more TV, and I just find a lot happens that I forget week to week, like just do. I forget really right after the episode airs. I'm like, what happened? Like, it takes me to get back into it. But then somebody commented and asked me to do like a general video with just like talking about either like my favorite characters or like scenes and stuff that are different from book to movie, and kind of like a general talking video. So I thought that'd be very interesting and something I could probably do. So definitely let me know what you guys think of that. As well, I have another idea. Obviously I'm going to do the talking videos. I need to get to those soon. I just did not want to get ready last Friday because I wasn't going out anywhere. And another video idea I have is to talk about my favorite podcasts I've been listening to. I love listening to podcasts, so if you guys want to hear any of those videos, definitely let me know in the comments below. Yeah, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.